Welcome to our channel. If you're upgrading your phone, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize value from carrier trade-in programs. Step 1. Check trade-in values from multiple sources before committing. Compare offers from your carrier, manufacturers, third-party sites like Gazelle, and private sale values. Step 2. Understand promotional trade-in credits versus instant trade-in value. Promotional credits often require bill credits over 24 to 36 months, while instant credits apply immediately. Step 3. Read all terms and conditions for promotional trade-ins carefully. Many require purchasing specific phones, adding new lines, or staying on certain plans to receive full credit. Step 4. Prepare your phone for trade-in by backing up data and factory resetting. Clean the device thoroughly and gather any original accessories required for trade-ins. Step 5. Honestly assess your phone's condition before submitting trade-in quotes. Undisclosed damage results in reduced offers after carrier inspection or rejection of trade-ins entirely. Step 6. Document your phone's condition with photos before shipping. Take pictures of the device from all angles in case disputes arise about condition or damage. Step 7. Use carrier-provided shipping materials and tracking for trade-ins. Keep tracking numbers and proof of shipment to verify carriers received your old device. Step 8. Follow up after trade-in submission to confirm receipt and credit application. Verify promotional credits appear in your account as expected based on program terms. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.